for sure. Too excited. So, where are we going today? Motorcycle mechanic. Why? Because I think maybe with a clutch adjustment we'll be good to go. I'm hoping the clutch adjustment is really all we really need before we have to go to, like, you know, we have to go all the way into like a new clutch, because there's no play here. I don't know how to do it. I should know, but see, like right there, it's good. It's good on the bottom end. It's good. It's the top end where it's like it's like, oh, sorry, Smiley, we're not going to be doing good for you today. And I want to be able to ride a lot more. I want to, you know where I'm at. I'll give you a high five or a thumbs up. You know exactly where I'm at, because apparently all y'all investigators know everywhere I'm at all times. So if you know where I'm at right here, you get a thumbs up from me. Like the clutch, as you can see here, it's a little stiff there, buddy. I gotta unstiffen it a bit. Maybe give it some play. Maybe that's all I really need. Hopefully. Like I said, it's just slipping at the top end. So let's hope that's the trick, man. I don't want to buy a new clutch right now. I love this. I love this. This is just beautiful scenery here. Just me getting... Oh, there's a graduation going on. They're selling graduation lays. You gotta make the money. Oh, let's slow down because there's a graduation here. You don't want to go too fast. There's a bunch of kids and stuff. There's a Sprouts here now? When did they open a Sprouts? What the hell? When did that happen? I gotta get these things inside my jacket because they're just making crackling sounds, and all you're gonna hear is... I appreciate the success that we're having lately on YouTube. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. How freaking cool is that, dog? Almost at 5,000. Who would have thought? I am flabbergasted by that. I think we're gonna get the MT-09 this year. We're gonna figure it out somehow. We're gonna get it. That's gonna be the goal for the channel. The MT-09 or the AMT-10, and one of the two. I haven't decided. I have to see which one I want more, the 9 or the 10. They both equally look cool to me, man. Not only look cool, but like the whole styling and like the way you ride them, they both look kind of cool to me. I wanted to make that light, but I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, we got the light. Where are we going? My favorite and least favorite place at the same time. The motorcycle mechanic. Why? Because it ends up being super expensive. All the freaking time. It's like you go in for like a simple thing and it's like, wow, you need also brakes. Dude, what else do I need? But yeah, we're here. We're going to my favorite motorcycle shop here in the city of Cerritos. 5-star motorcycle. Been coming with these guys forever. Pablo is one of the coolest owners ever, man. He's so cool, so chill. Good prices, you know. It's fair market value, whatever it might be. But yeah, man, we're here. We're about to get the clutch adjusted. Hopefully that does the trick. I just don't know how to do the bottom part. I know how to adjust up here, but at the bottom, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I don't want to mess it up. So I might as well bring it to these guys. Is it almost time for an oil change? Yeah, we're almost at an oil change level. Yeah, we almost need one too, dude. Yeah, it's almost oil change time. Why do cars drive so goddamn slow? They act like they're going up a mountain or something. Yeah, I know. It's like, why, dog? Why you guys gotta be so slow? Wait, what's today? Wednesday? They're open, right? Yeah, they're open. Bring the RPMs down a little bit to make sure that car doesn't hit me, because I know they're not paying attention. Maybe I could have slowed it down, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, fucking Pablo is so. Oh shit! Too fast. See ya, guys. Look at all these bikes. All right, we'll be back in a bit.